Are you an entrepreneur who needs a home base for your business? Or a creator looking to make your mark online? That usually means you're thinking about building a website. It's often the first thing people do when starting a new business venture or bringing a physical business online. But did you know there's a new way to think about building your website that takes it from a static business card to an actual source of revenue? Let's get into it. The first thing you'll need to do is to get your brand ready. Now, the old way of creating a website would mean you'd have to have all sorts of content. A wireframe, logos in multiple sizes, a whole lot of website copy, and a plan for different pages and sections. For the new way of making a website, you don't need to spend hours and hours on that. Instead, think about these 3 simple things. Your business name and logo. If you don't have a logo, you can easily create one with a free tool like Canva. Your brand's color palette. You can also use a free tool like coolers.co to generate one. How your business brings people together, or how it could. Think of this as your business's community mission statement. If you were bringing your customers, prospects, clients, fans together, what would that community look like? What could it achieve? This can be as simple as one sentence, like, I can bring together new fitness enthusiasts to hold each other accountable as they move through my signature program. Or, I can bring together new parents who want to learn about better money management to support each other as they hit their financial goals. That's it. No need to plan out more content, and we'll come back to this later. You're ready for step 2, finding the right website builder. Are you a developer who knows how to code? You can build something from scratch. But most of us are looking for a no-code solution, so let's focus on your options there. First, take a look at the other tools and bits of software you need or use for your business. The old way of building a website was to find a platform that worked well with all of them. A lot of times that was something like WordPress that has a plugin marketplace. You start with a shell and can add all your content and find a new plugin for every other little tool and feature you want to add. It works great until a plugin breaks and your site goes down. Or until you add up all the paid plugins and realize you have 12 new recurring bills each month. And at that point, you may actually need to hire a developer to keep things running smoothly. Here's the new way of choosing a website platform. Think about the other tools and bits of software you need and use, and choose a platform that can replace them. That's right, for the same price as a basic website builder, you can find a platform that includes things like events, paid memberships, online courses, all your important content, and even your own private social network in the form of an online community. Having everything in the same place not only creates new possibilities for your business, but it means there's less of a tech headache for you as a busy entrepreneur. Now let's combine steps 1 and 2. You've chosen a platform that not only gives you a beautiful website, but the opportunity to build an online community for your brand. That brings your website into a living, breathing thing, and that's why you lead with what your members will be able to do together. You don't have to create any other content before you launch, because your website has gone from a static museum for your brand and business to a membership and network that will evolve and change as it grows. And instead of just talking about your business, your website is now a way to generate revenue. You can do paid memberships or groups and even online courses. Okay, we know that now you're in, you see the possibilities, and you're ready to build a website the new way. Check out Mighty Networks. It's the only platform that empowers entrepreneurs and creators to build a community-powered business. You get a website and a community that brings your content, events, courses, and more together. Thousands of people like you have come to Mighty Networks looking for a website and discovered so much more. It's like a super boost for your business. Start your 14-day free trial today at mightynetworks.com and join the other pioneers who are building a website the new way.